How to fix YouTube lagging and dropped frames on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and see if we have an updated version of the Google Chrome application on our device. So let's search for Google Chrome, and here it says we do not have any updates because we do not have any updates option. So it means we have the updated version of the application. So let's get back and make a long press on Google Chrome application over here. Then tap on App Info, and as you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So select on that. Now clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, tap on App Permissions, and what you can simply do is you can see there are different options over here. So just toggle on all of these options. After that, go back, and simply what you can do is you can now tap on the Play Store again and search for YouTube application. So let's search for YouTube, and here it says we do not have any updates. So it means we have the latest version of YouTube application as well. So if this does not work out, you can just make a long press on power button and tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.